Hey y'all, welcome to my video. So watch me do this natural glam makeup tutorial. I am actually getting ready for my new passport picture. Yes, I always like to make sure I look good in all my pictures. So I just wanted to do like a natural glam makeup tutorial for my passport picture. So here I'm starting out with filling in my brows. It's like a dark brown shade, kind of like the same color as my brows. So filling them in. So here I'm just going to fill my brows in like so. Okay, so now we're going to get the little bristle applicator and go ahead and blend that out. Make sure you blend out those lines, blend out the lines in your brow to make it look more natural. See? Perfect. And so now I'm going to get the concealer and go over top of my brow. This is actually my shade, so when I blend it out, it's going to blend right in. Then I'm going to take this concealer and go under my brow. I use two different shades for the top and for the bottom because I don't want the top to look white or too light. I want it to be my complexion, but underneath it can be a little light. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. Line it up real sharp. And also do the same thing underneath. Line it up real sharp. So now we're going to go ahead and take the sponge and blend it in. Blend it out. Oh, I made a little oopsie right there. But I'm going to show y'all how to correct that. So you just take the brush that you used when you first put the brown on and then just fill in the spot right there. See? Just like that. Perfect. Then I'm going to take the other brush and outline the top of it. Oop, I got a little bit right there. Oops. But it's okay. I'll just take the sponge and blend it out. Just like that. See? Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend out the rest of my eye. My eyelid. Like so. Perfect. Blend that out. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and do some shadow. I want to do like a natural look. So I'm going in with that pretty like dark orange brownish. Well, maybe it's a little more brown when I put it on my eyelid. Then I'm going to put like a nude on that part of my eyelid and go ahead and blend that out. And then I went in with a darker shade right there just to give it a little oomph. Perfect. Okay, now perfect. Okay, now perfect. I don't know. Psych, y'all. Okay, so now we're going to go in with some liner with the cat eye. Definitely got to do a cat eye. I feel like the makeup look isn't complete if you don't have like a little liner. Definitely got to do a little liner. Alright, see, we're going to let that dry. I did get a little bit on my lid, but I'm going to show y'all how to fix that. So, to correct the line, I just put some concealer underneath and I line it up just like that. And go ahead and do the other side. Line it up. Fix that line. And there was a little black dot right there too. Clear that up too. Now I'm just blending it out. But once I put the foundation on, you won't even be able to tell. So I had to go ahead and fix the line right there. And it was perfect. Now I'm going in with a little mascara. Okay, this is how I fixed that. So what you have to do is you have to let it dry and then take the bristle brush and brush it away, and it brushes right off. So now I'm going to take the lash glue and put it on my lash line. This is a trick to putting your lashes on and it lasting all day long. Try this trick. Don't say I ain't never teach y'all nothing. So while I'm letting that dry, I'm going to go ahead and prime. I like to use pods. Let me tell y'all, I had this pods for a long time. My aunt had got that for me for Christmas one year, and I literally still have it. I had it for years. I love it. Absolutely love it. I love pods. So I use that as my primer. I've been using it for years. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on my lashes. I had put lash glue on the lashes as well. Let that dry. Put it on my lash line. And then once I'm able to apply them, they stick on the first try. Perfect. Now I grab the other lash and put that one on as well. You see how they was able to go on so quick and easy? Don't say I ain't never teach y'all nothing. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and take some translucent powder and put that over top of the primer. This is going to clog your pores, so that way when you put your foundation on, it's going to look really smooth. Don't say I ain't never teach y'all no tricks. This is a really good trick I learned off of Instagram. Then I'm going to go in with my hydrating primer. Oh no, I'm sorry. Then I go in with the spray. So after I spray that in, I let that dry, and then I go in with the hydrating primer. This is the dewy spray. So you let that dry. And then you go in with the oil for your skin. And rub that in like so. Now I'm going in with some foundation. This is Revlon, which I love. This is like my perfect shade. I love this. So I'm going to go ahead with my brush and distribute it all over my face. Just like so. It blends in perfectly too. Okay, so remember, y'all, this brush is to only distribute. Then you're going to take the sponge and blend it. After you do that, you always have to go in with the sponge and blend it. So here, I'm just going to blend it all over. Perfect. Look at that. Perfection. I had to fix that little oopsie. It happens to the best of us. Now I'm going to go in with my Fenty concealer. When I'm going for like a natural look, I always go for this because it's so subtle. Now I did it twice. So I did it once and then I did it again just to give it a little more oomph, because it literally blends right in. Like, you really can't tell with just one. You have to do at least two depending on how light you want the concealer to be, because once you blend it out, you won't be able to see it. So after I did this the first time, I did it one more time. See? Second time. Love that. Go ahead, Riri. You did that with this one. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and blend out those lines. Now we're going to go in with the powder. Setting powder. My mistake. So once you apply it, let it sit like that. Then I'm going to go in with some bronzer. And then once I blend that out, then I'll go ahead and blend out the powder, the setting powder. So we're going to go ahead and blend out the bronzer. Now I'm going to go in with the setting dewy spray and spray it on the sponge, and then I blend in the setting powder. This trick is amazing. So you guys should try it and let me know if you try it, how you like doing it this way, because it just blends the powder out so perfectly. Now I'm going to go in with some bronzer. Love that bronzer. Now I'm going to go in with some blush. Gotta have a little blush. I love blush. I love pink. Perfect. Now it's time for highlights. I want it to be subtle, so I'm going with that subtle color. It's so pretty. Look at that. Highlighting all the spots that needs to be highlighted. Okay, so here I'm about to go ahead and spray my whole entire face with the setting spray, but I forgot to do under my eye. So I'm taking a little bit of the brown and I'm going to put it underneath my eye. Sometimes I forget to do this step. So I'm just going to put a little brown underneath my eye. Also, when you're doing that and a little bit falls onto the powder, just take that brush and sweep it away. And it won't mess up your powder or your concealer. Now it's time to spray, spray, spray. And we're done. Now it's time for my lip. I'm going in with a brown liner, and that is it. So once I line it, I'm going to go ahead and blend it out and put some lip gloss on. And this look is done, you guys. I want to thank y'all so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, turn your notifications on for new posts. And thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.